Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to discuss about the very important topic for JEE advanced level and mains advanced level, that is continuity. It is very important topic for JEE exams. In this video I am going to explain the topic, continuity topic in just three simple ways. Whatever might be the problem that was given in whatever might be the examination, either in board level examination or for mains level and advanced level. So there will be only three ways to find the solution for any problem that was given in continuity. Okay, let us see the three ways. Now the first one, how to solve a continuity problem. In the first way, there will be only three types of models, will be any problem in only in three ways. The first way of solution, suppose if any problem is given like this, f of x is equal to sine 5x by x and x not equal to 0 and is equal to 3 at x is equal to 0. Find the function whether it is continuous or not. We have to verify whether this function is continuous or not at x is equal to 0. So this type of question will be given. So you observe that question, there will be x not equal to 0, one function will be given, and at x is equal to 0 some value will be given. One is value, another one is a function. So such type of question will be given, a function and a constant. Of course it is x is equal to 0, exactly at x is equal to 0, that is 3. But x not equal to 0 means we have to assume either x tends to 0, that means either 0 plus or 0 minus, that is second way. So the first one is such type of problem is given. Okay, one is a function in terms of x and another one is a constant. Okay, so this is the first way. In such type of questions will be given, just we have to find the limit as x tends to 0. X not equal to 0 means x tends to 0, x approaches 0. So we have to find the limit when x approaches this value. Okay, so you find the limit that is sine 5x by x. You know that in limits, suppose sine of something 5x is there, we have to be here in the denominator should be 5x and that 5x should be equal to 0. Now the value of this question is 1. 1 into 5, that is 5. Okay, this is the limit value for this question. Okay, limit as x tends to 0, sine 5x by 5 is equal to 5 only. I think you know that. Okay, now you see, but what is the answer that was given in the question? It is 3, but we got 5. So these two are not matched. So that means this function is not continuous, which means it is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. So this is the one of the way. The first way, some function will be given and some constant will be given. If what is the procedure to find the solution such type of questions? First you find the limit at this x approaches that value. Okay, if you got the same answer that was given in the question itself, if the both are matched, that it should be equal, then we can say the function is continuous. If not, it is discontinuous. Is it clear? Okay, so this is the first way. Okay, so now let us move to the next type of question. So this is the first way, first method. Any problem in continuity, just they will be given in three ways. Whatever might be the books you can search, there will be three types of questions will be given. Okay, this is the first way. And the second way, in such some questions, the question will be like that: f of x is equal to x square plus 5x minus 2, minus 1 is less than or equal to x less than 0, and it is 2 when x is equal to 0, and 5x, I am going to write x cube minus 1 at x greater than 0. So such type of question is given, find the continuity at x is equal to 0. So such type of question will be given. So you see, at x is equal to 0, that means this is 0. So at exactly 0, and this is the value 0 plus and this is 0 minus. If these three values will be equal, then we can say the function is given function at that point is continuous. Okay, so let us observe the question. Limit as x tends to 0 plus. Suppose 0 plus, we have to consider this function x cube minus 1. Okay, x cube minus 1. While you substitute 0, you will get 0 minus 1, that is nothing but minus 1. In the same way, you find the value at 0 minus, that means x approaches 0 from the left hand side. 0 minus, what we have to consider the function as x square plus 5x minus 2, that is 0 plus 0 minus 2, the answer will be minus 2. Exactly 0 we have 2. You see, at exactly 0 it is 2, and 0 plus is minus 1 and 0 minus is minus 2. These three values are not equal. So now the function is discontinuous. Okay, whenever such type of question will be given, 0 plus, 0 minus and exactly 0, if these three values are equal, then we can say it is discontinuous. If equal, we can say continuous. All the three values must be equal. Okay, suppose at 1 plus 1 minus, these two values are equal, 1 exactly 1 and 1 plus, these two values are equal, then we can say it is right continuous. So what we have to pick the option, if discontinuous and is there and right continuous, we have to choose right continuous only. Okay, clear? So if these two values are equal, exactly 1 and 1 minus, if these two values are equal, we can say it is left continuous. We can say left continuous. So if all the three values are equal, then only we can say that function is continuous. If not, it is discontinuous. So these are the two models. I will explain the third model. First I am going to remember these two models. First question is some function will be given and one constant will be given at some point. We have to find the limit at that particular point. If these two values are equal, then that function is continuous. If not, it is discontinuous. That is one type of function. One type of way to find continuous. This is another way to find. Suppose at some pi by 2 plus, pi by 2 minus and exactly pi by 2. These three values must be given. If these three values, if you find the limit at these 3 points, pi by 2 plus, exactly pi by 2 and pi by 2 minus, if these three values are equal, then we can say that function is continuous. So these are the two models. And I am going to discuss the last model, how to find continuous. And this is also very, very important. The last method is nothing but I am going to reveal the fact that the last method is nothing but by using graphs. By using graphs only we can say whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. Let us give one example. Let us suppose f of x is equal to maximum of x comma x square. X comma x square. What about the function is continuous everywhere or discontinuous points? Some questions will be like that. So maximum of x comma x square. We have to do this problem by using graph. It's very easiest way. Okay. So we are having two functions. Y means f of x is equal to x and f of x is equal to x square. I think you know very well about y is equal to x is a straight line which is passing through origin. And what about f of x is equal to x square? It is a curve, it's a parabola. Okay. So these two graphs. Now I am going to draw these two graphs in one graph, that is, this is the graph. Okay. You see, this is the graph of two graphs. This is y is equal to x and this is y is equal to x square. What we have to find the maximum of, you see, from minus infinity to 0, this graph is maximum, but y is equal to x is below x-axis, negative values. Okay. So what about the graph up to 0? This one is this curve is maximum. So this is maximum, and now you see at 0. After 0 to this point, what about this point? This is the point where the two curves intersect. X is equal to x square. Don't cancel x again. So take x as common. That is 1 minus x is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Which means the two curves intersect at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay. Now you see from the diagram also we can say the two graphs intersect at 0 and 1. So this point is 1. So you see in between 0 to 1, this graph, what is the graph? That line y is equal to x is greater than that of y is equal to x square. You see y is equal to x square graph is curve is below the line y is equal to x. So y is equal to x is a greater curve. Okay, now so from 0 to 1 y is equal to x is maximum, and after 1 that means greater than 1 y is equal to x graph flat, it is going like that, and the curve x square moves like that. So now this is the curve. Now what about the graph? Is the straight line, and then it is the graph. So the graph will be y is up to minus infinity to 0, this is occupies the maximum value, and from 0 to 1 this is the maximum value, and from 1 afterwards x square, y is equal to x square, the curve will be like this. Okay, so the graph is like this, straight line, and then it is a curve like this, it is a curve moving like this. Okay, so we can write the function as, you see, we can define the function as f of x is equal to x square when x less than 0, and x when between 0 less than x less than 1, and it is x square and again x greater than or equal to 1. You see, this is the function we can define by using this graph. Okay, now you see whether it is continuous or not. Continuous means in the graph itself, when we start the graph, when we use the pen, it can't stop anywhere, it moves continuously. You see, of course it's a straight line, then it moves like this. So there is no gap between any place of the curve. Okay, it moves continuously, it moves continuously, it moves. Whether it is a sharp edge or something else, you don't have to consider all the sharp edges, just either it moves continuously or not. So it is moving continuously, there is no stop at all. Okay, so this function is continuous function. I will explain the differentiability in the next videos. And so these are the three procedures you can find the continuity in any problem, in any examination point of view, either in the mains, advanced, board exam. These are the three ways when some function will be given and some constant will be given. If the values, if first we have to find the limit for that question. If both the values are equal, then we can say it is continuous. That is the first method. And the second method is some value. Suppose you take 5 plus 5 minus and exactly 5. If these three values are equal, then we can say it is the continuous function. This is the second way. And third one, by using graph. If the graph moves continuously without any break, then we can say it is continuous function. So these are the three ways to find continuity of any function. Okay, any function, whatever might be the exam. So these are the three ways, and I am going to explain different problems and previous the IIT questions also, JEE questions in the next coming videos. Okay, right, thank you.